Welcome back to Daybreak, dedicated to promoting the history and enjoyment of button box accordion music.
Playing traditional Slovenian, German, and Polish accordion music, Alaska's Button Box Gang is set to play the Alaska Zoo lawn tonight for the kickoff of Family Summer Nights.
Now, before they take our stage for a mic check in the morning. Love it! Now all of a sudden I have a hankering for a beer. The Alaska Button Box Gang, see them tonight at 7 o'clock for the kickoff of the Alaska Zoo's Summer Family Nights. The annual event features wildlife diary talks every Tuesday and live music every Friday. For more on summer nights and the zoo's summer schedule, head to alaskazoo.org.